Hello everyone, my name is Rafael, I'm from Brazil, and I'm recording this short video to show you guys what I have done for my CS50 final project. I only have a few minutes to do this presentation, so I will try to be as brief as possible. So here I am, already into my app's main page. Might you are wondering what does this app do? So let's say that you're a professor or just a person who wants to organize some lectures, and you need to have a control over the number of participants. You need to know the name of each participant that are into your lecture, and the most important thing, you need to generate a certificate for each of this person at the end of the lecture. And with this web application wrote in Python using the Flask framework, you can do all of these things. So let's start. Here in the middle, basically we have these two cards here. On the left we have this one called participant section, and at the right we have another one called admin section. Let's do an example. So let's say there were a participant and want to get enrolled into a lecture. So I will click over this card here, and a form will be opened for me. Basically we have these two radio buttons, so if I already have a registration code, I just select this one and type here your code and then click check. But if it is not the case, just select this one, fill in all the fields of this form and then click submit. But in my case I already have my code into my clipboard, so I will paste right here and click in check. So now I am into the MySpace page. Here the participants are able to see all the lectures that they were signed up for, but in this case I'm not subscribed into any lecture yet. I am logged as Carl. So to get enrolled into a lecture, just at the top of this website, just click over lectures, and here we can see all lectures that were created. Here we have these three lectures. So let's take this one example called emotional intelligence. Here we can see the date, the professor's name, and the status, if it is open or closed. I will click here in get enroll. Now the same lecture is showed to me into this screen. But now let's say that I want to download my certificate, but this status is still open, so I will log in with my admin account, change the status of this lecture to closed, so all of the participants of this lecture will be able to download their certificates. So I will click quit, click right here, enter with my admin account. Here in the admin section we have these two buttons here. I will click in manage lectures. Here we can create, delete the lectures. So I will edit this one. Just change the status to closed. I will save, do the logout, and again I will click over the participant section, enter with my registration code that is into my clipboard. Click in check, and now I am able to get certificate because the status of this lecture is closed. So I'll click right here, and to generate the certificate I'm using a REST API of crafts my PDF. So here it is the certificate with the person's name, the lecture's name, the date, and the professor's name. So this was my final project. Thanks for watching, and bye.